This is a 2015 Mazda 5. It's a small minivan. The issue we're fixing today is this windshield washer fluid reservoir. It has developed some cracks right in the bottom, and they can't really be fixed, so they're right in the bottom, so all of the windshield washer fluid leaks right out. But luckily, a cheap replacement is available online, and I'm going to provide a link to this item in the video description. And it looks to be a perfect fit, the right shape with all of the mounting holes in the right place. So let's see if we can get this installed. For this job, we remove the wheel, then we remove the wheel well cover. We go in through the wheel well, and the reservoir drops down right through here. In order to give you a little bit better view, I've popped the bumper off, which is pretty easy to do, and you can see where this reservoir sits. It has a mounting bolt in the front here. It has another mounting bolt that comes in through the back through this plate here, and there's supposed to mount onto this stud right here. But this car has had some collision damage, so this entire plate here has shifted backwards and the reservoir will not fit on it. But with these two other mounting points attached, there's no way to match this stud. And you can see here the attachment points for the wiring and the little attachment points for the water hose. And you can see how this pump fits right into the reservoir. The reservoir did come with its own gasket, and the pump pops right into it. And here's a view from the top. The reservoir neck mates up with the neck of the power steering fluid reservoir. So all we have to do is put the bumper back on, and this will be all done. By the way, I have also replaced the wheel well liner on this car, and this is a view to show you how well it fits inside the wheel well. This bolt hole here will not be installed until the side cover goes on, but all of the other holes line up perfectly. Here is a view from underneath to show you how well it matches the outline of the bumper in the front. And here's a look at how it turns out with the side cover back on. Everything fits together perfectly, especially right here in the corner. Items like this can be difficult to fit with holes not lining up or their shape being incorrect, but with this one we sort of lucked out. And the real test is, does it squirt out when we so repair is successful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.